Dale, I have good news. The Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is opening soon, okay? And if you want to be the first to know, if you want to be among the first to know when it opens, you need to get on the wait list, okay? And if you don't know, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for you if you want to speak Igbo with your family, if you want to be able to teach your children, okay? So this is why I teach people in a small group, and by the end of the boot camp you'll be confident to have conversations with your family and you'll be confident to teach your children, okay? So if you're not yet on the wait list, the wait list is the place to be so that you're among the first to know, and you also access every bonus accessible. Okay, so every bonus that's available. Okay, so there's a link below this video. Click the link, sign up, and you get notification once the bootcamp is open. Enola, I'm going to call it now.